Welcome back. In this video, I will demonstrate how you can use color rows using conditional formatting. Adding a color background in our data is sometimes essential for a user to read the information more accessibly. The fastest way to add a color style to the data is by converting them into a table. And the quickest way to transform data into a table is by pressing Ctrl+T keyboard shortcut. But for now, we want to learn a different way using conditional formatting. With Ctrl+Z, let's undo this. First, click in cell A1 and highlight all the data until B20. We want to have a specific color for alternating rows. This method is also called alternating row shading. For the Home tab, press the conditional formatting button and let's set up a new row. The option that we are interested in is the last one. Use a formula to determine which cell to format. Now in the row description box, we will start typing the formula. Let us think for a while. If you use the function mod, it will allow us to calculate the remainder in a formula. For example, if I take any number and divide it by 2, we will have a remainder. The remainder of mod of 2 is 0. The mod of 3 is 1. The mod of 4 is 0, and so on. So start typing in equal mod left parenthesis, row open, close parenthesis, comma to close parenthesis equal 0. This functional formatting formula uses the row function, which returns the row number, and the mod function, which returns the remainder of its first argument divided by its second argument. Now press the format button and choose a color. Let's pick the green one. OK, and OK again. Look at the results. The alternate row shading is complete, and it made your spreadsheet more comfortable to read. Now, how cool is that? For alternate shading of columns, use the column function instead of row function. I understand that this technique is not easy to apply, but the important thing is to see the capabilities Excel has using conditional format rows. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson.